In this video, we are going to discuss how to apply Pretty Girl lip paint. Start by exfoliating your lips, removing all the dry skin. This can be done the night before. Then, remove the applicator from the tube, wipe off any excess lip paint from the tip, and starting at your Cupid's bow, outline your lips. Complete the line all the way around the lip, working from the center to the outer edges. Also, start on the bottom and with one clean swipe across your lip line, apply the lip paint. You could go back, add more lip paint, and fill in the lip. Once you've filled in the lip, you can blot between each coat. Be sure to let the lip paint dry between each coat before adding more. Don't forget to visit prettygirlcosmetics.com for all your favorite cheer and dance products.